Dear students of Standard 10, welcome to the class of English for today. Here we are going to learn today lesson 2 from Unit 11. Lesson's name is Renewable Energy Sources. Before go through the text, let's learn the word meaning of the text. First one is Congress. It means convention or assembly or conference. Biomass means organic matter used as a fuel, especially in a power station, potentially with the capacity to develop or happen in the future, or possibly consumption means the action of using up a resource or utilization. Barrel, a unit of measurement of liquid things that is equal to 120 and 150 liters. Initiative, a new plan for dealing with a particular problem or action or step. This lesson give us some data about the usage of petroleum in the modern world. I won't bother you reading the text thoroughly. I just want to show you the summary of this lesson. The summary is former Indian President Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam is concerned about mankind's future energy crisis. According to his comment, the era of wood and biomass will almost come to an end. Oil and natural gas are also limited. This crisis can be solved by using renewable sources. Solar energy is one of the renewable sources. That means he has put importance on the using of solar energy. In this text, you will get a term that is Chernobyl disaster. The Chernobyl disaster was caused by a nuclear accident that occurred on Saturday, 26 April 1986 at the number 4 reactor in the Chernobyl nuclear power plant near the city of Pripyat in the north of Ukraine. It is considered the worst nuclear disaster in history. The disaster occurred during a safety test, and the radiation spread over a vast area of 30 kilometers of radius. That time a lot of people died, and the radiation affected the flora and fauna of that area. Still now people are suffering from cancer, and different types of deformities are seen in the environment. And this disaster reminds us of another accident of this type that had happened in Japan in 2011, and the power plant's name was Fukushima Daiichi Nuclear Power Plant. In exercise B, you will get a question, that is, what do you mean by the potential danger of nuclear energy? Let me clear the answer. The potential danger of nuclear energy means the possibility of creating massive destruction by nuclear power. Ukraine's Chernobyl disaster in 1986 is the example of it, which caused huge loss of life and property. In your text, in exercise C, you will get a substitution table. You have to make 5 sentences from it. Of course, you will solve it in your book. Here is the answer of it. You will match it after completing. Exercise C, sentence number 1. Chernobyl disaster has exposed the potential danger of nuclear energy. Number 2. The energy industries have been a major factor for change throughout the history. Number 3. The global petroleum consumption has increased to 3 billion barrels per year. Number 4. Major industrial economies have taken initiatives to tap alternative energy sources. And last one, number 5. scientists have emphasized the use of renewable energy sources. You must learn the table properly because it may come in the exam. Then in exercise D, you will get fill in the blanks and clues are given. The answer will be like this: crisis, suggested, tap, radiates, where, would, affected, effective, either, and conducted. You must complete it in your book. In exercise E, there is a broad question given, that is, massive burning of world's coal reserves may lead to a worldwide ecological disaster. Do you support this view? Explain why or why not. Of course, the answer will be in positive. That means you will write in this way: yes, I support this view. It is because burning of coal emits the highest amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. When this burning is massive, the emission of carbon dioxide also massive. This huge amount of carbon dioxide causes greenhouse effect and global warming. This global warming is a global threat against the existence of life on Earth. And about this in BGS book, you have read a lot. Here you have to mention that ice caps are melting in the polar regions, sea level is rising, and low-lying areas are being submerged, forest and wildlife are decreasing, and disasters are increasing. In this way, you will show your logic. So, it is time for us to take steps to save our existence on Earth. We must reduce burning coal to reduce worldwide ecological disaster. In this way, you will make the answer. My dear students, you must solve the model question at your home. We'll meet soon with the new lesson. Till then, thank you and goodbye.